and finishing in the hands, moving up. And when we come around the shoulders, anytime that we have a ball and socket joint like the shoulders and the hips, it's nice to do circular movements. It moves in the direction, releases adhesions and tensions, and then we come down into the long strokes. And supporting the arm, we can come around the elbow. Again, we have lots of lymphatic nodules there, so we're stimulating the release of those and coming back down the hand. So the stones are small enough where we can just do some therapy over the hand and still use our fingers for a little additional massage pressure. And doing the fingers with the stone in the hand, so the finger is resting against the stone and in between my hands. And we'll do each one separately. A little coin rub action for each finger. And also we can use these with either a circular light amount of pressure in the palm, or we can do a little additional therapy. The palms copy the feet in terms of reflexology, so we're actually accessing all of the structures inside the body and all those organs and tissues. And as we come back up, we can do some cross arm motion. It would be a little bit like cross fiber friction motion, except it's just going to be gentle here, swiping across the arm. And then up and down the forearm. And then you can finish again with those long sweeping movements, keeping in mind when you do rhythmic patterns of 3 creates a really deep sense of relaxation.